everyone, and welcome to my channel. Make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you never miss a new video or a live stream, and give me a big thumbs up at the end of the video. Hello loves, and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl CheKesha Simms of herlovelyplan, and I am here with another plan with me in my Hobonichi weeks. But before we get to planning, I want to welcome all of my first time viewers. Thank you for jumping in and checking out my channel and seeing what it's all about. And if this is your first time, make sure you put a purple heart in the comments box so I know that you're new, and you never know, you might get a shout out in one of my videos. And to all of my subbies that have been taking this journey with me for a while now, thank you so much. I really love you guys. And I may even show a moment of transparency throughout this video. But let's get straight into all the goodies that I will be potentially using in this week's plan with me. All right, so for this week, I do believe I showed this in my Happy Mail haul video. This is a kit that I got from ANN LAZ, and I apologize if I'm saying the last part wrong because y'all already know your girl is the worst when it comes to making sure I say stuff right. So charge it to my head and not my heart. So this is a full kit, so it has a lot of stickers in which I am finding in my planning style. So far, I like a lot of stickers. I may use some of these add-on sticky note box stickers, and I might use some of these as well, but that is an option. And then as y'all saw in my Happy Mail haul, I got all of these super cute Coffee Monster stickers. And just for clarification, these are coffee beans. Yeah. When you're visually challenged and you can't wear your glasses while you're filming, they end up looking like footballs. But yeah, footballs have white stitching. So shout out to the owner of the Coffee Monster. We had a nice little conversation and she said I cracked her up. So it was worth it to make somebody laugh. And then more than likely, I'll be adding these cute paperclip bows from Planning City, in which I do PR for her shop. So make sure you check her out. I do have a discount code below. And as well, make sure y'all go to her Facebook page. She is doing a week of giveaways and you don't want to miss it. All right, love. So y'all know I already don't do after the pin at this point in this planner, but I do like to give you a recap of what my week looked like after the decorating and adding the plan. So as you can see, it was very functional. So functional, I had to write on my washi because I had a lot of things that I wanted to remember to add in this week's plan with me. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into planning for the week of May 20th through the 26th. Can y'all believe it? The month is already over. So less talking, more planning. All right, so you already know the drill. Lay the date dots, and I'm gonna skip over it because it's very redundant and you kind of get the gist of what I'm doing. So once I have everything laid down, I like to lay my date cover strip. And you guys know one of the things that I'm learning with purchasing my Hobonichi kits is if you have the date cover strips, that's like a big seller to me, because the less that I have to worry about placement on this little tiny planner, the better. So now I'm just adding my bottom washing. And this week I decided not to use, do the outlining, because I asked you guys what you like to see. Give me some suggestions, and one of my subbies was like she liked week 1 and she liked it without the outline. So I was like, okay, let's kind of do a week 1 feel without the lines. So that's why I decided not to do the lines. So I really appreciate y'all dropping in and giving me some suggestions, as well as let me know which spreads y'all liked thus far, because again, you know, I feel like we're better together than we are separated. And I do these videos not just, you know, for me, but I really do them for you guys, because as much as I've been wanting to give up on just the planner community in general, It's always those few that God sends you to restore your faith. And I thank each and every one of you for the words of encouragement. Y'all probably, don't realize how much I truly do appreciate y'all, because I was telling some of my close girlfriends, like, I'm done. I don't feel joy in it anymore. So thank you guys, because y'all help bring my joy back. So what I decided this week is to go ahead and use these boxes on this side. I know traditionally you'll see most of your Hobonichi planner babes put them on the right page on the left side that's closer to the spine. But I like to use that part to track my PR posts, because sometimes I'm out and about and I might post something for my PR teams that I'm a part of. And if I don't track it, I forget it. And sometimes, because Instagram only shows you like you posted it 3 days ago, sometimes it's hard to get off track on which day. So I like to track that in this planner because it is my EDC. So now I am doing my tracker strips, which is a number 2 selling point for me. So if you have date strips and trackers, you almost got me sold, man. You almost got me sold. So this week I do have a lot of things that I need to do. So I definitely wanted to use these checklist stickers, and this is a number 3 selling point for me. So when you all are buying your kits, make sure you figure out what you really need to function. And I've been buying a lot of the kits because they've been pretty. And we've all, I think, have all been kind of mesmerized with all of the kits and things that have been coming out. But now it's time to get focused, spend my money wisely, and spend it on kits that I know are going to work for me. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do is to cut this sticker, in which y'all know this is a kit, like a PR kind of kit that came from Serene Planning. I mostly use the PR post stickers, but I cut the numbers off because it's more so for PR post 1 and PR post 2. And if y'all know any shops that have PR post script stickers that are just like this, minus the numbers, let me know, because I do have a lot of PR post stickers, but they're kind of stacked, if you would say, like it'll be one word on the top and one on the bottom, and I need a more minimal type of PR post sticker. So let me know, drop a shop name below so I can go purchase those, because I'm going to be on some of these PR scenes for a while. So what I decided to do with this, I think this is like a sidebar strip. I decided to carry it over this side just to make the little PR section look a little more decorative, because typically I just write it out and it looks really plain. So now just finding these cute little stickers. Y'all, I love these little potato head stickers. They are so cute. I know some people are like, you done got those stickers, but I think with my Hobonichi, I can have a lot more fun in regards to using the different emotis and things like that. Because in like my A5, I'm more, I think, of a classic style planner. I don't do a lot of fun stickers. I do a lot of colors and things like that. But the Hobonichi gives me an opportunity to use all of my little tiny emoji stickers and little girl stickers that look more like doodle than anything. So I had to make sure I added this coffee sticker, because if you know your girl is to know that I love coffee. So I'm just kind of going through, adding some more of these little emotis, because it's just fun. Planner spreads are more fun with emotis. You dig me? So just going through, adding a few more little elements to the spread. Definitely have to add the weekend banner, because what's the weekend without a banner? So now I'm gonna add some florals, in which I don't know why I didn't think of doing this, but one of my good friends that's also here on YouTube, Sassy Plans, she was layering her her flower stickers. I'm like, ding, 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 Keisha, you need to go back to the old school you. like the happy planner you, when you used to layer and cut stickers and put them throughout your spread. So shout out to my girl Sassy. I'm gonna leave her link up the top so y'all can go subscribe to her channel, because she got some good things on there and she is hilarious, and she always gives you a good haul. Because she loves to buy all the things. So if you try to save your money, just watch her Plan With Me's and skip over her haul videos until you're ready to spend some money. So yeah, I decided to use more of the tinier stickers for the flowers. And now I'm kind of bummed because I actually had one of those small Happy Planner stickers that had all of the little tiny florals that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I gave it away in a D-stash. So now I have to go buy another one because those florals will be perfect because they're so small. So look out for more florals in my spread. And again, shout out to my sis, my PR sis, my girl Sassy Plans, for reigniting and reminding me to go back to classic Her Lovely Plan a little bit. All right, I had to take a water break because y'all know I am not one for doing a lot of talking, but so I'm using this super amazing Tombow drawing pen. I was watching Julia's plans video and she was saying how it's dry fasting, and as you can see, it's very little smudging because it dries really fast. And I'm loving it because this is a 0.1, and because you have to write so small in this Hobonichi, this pen is everything. So check out my Amazon shop if you would like to purchase it. It came in a pack of 3. So as you can see, I kind of skipped over it because, again, I'm just writing the same thing over and over again, and I don't want to bore you with a whole lot of redundant things because that can also make my videos super duper long. So now I'm going to go ahead and work on this right side of the page, and this is where I have typically used definitely for things to do. So I definitely always use this side to do my to-do. I've kind of been going back and forth in between doing things to do and shopping, or things to do and reminders for the upcoming week. But I think what I will probably do going forward, it will just always be my things to do, or my to-do list portion, and my next week portion. And I'm using these super cute little tiny stickers from Sweet Caress Designs. If y'all are looking for tiny script stickers or just tiny stickers in general, go check her shop out. I actually bought these stickers way before I knew anything about a Hobonichi, so definitely came in handy. And so typically I don't have a lot of things that I have to carry, to write for next week to remind me. So that's why I just use the 4 stars on that section. So typically my work week starts on Wednesday because I'm a hairstylist. So I just put that there to kind of let me know. Well, I already know, but might as well use a sticker to put it there to say work starts on Wednesday and all the way through. So now I'm just adding some, what am I doing? Oh, I'm gonna add the box sticker because, like I said, the old planner babe has been reignited, and I'm adding some layering to this spread. And because I really didn't have a lot of stuff that I had to write on Sunday, I decided to take that checklist sticker off. And then here I'm adding a box sticker, and this would be in the Traveler's Notebook world considered a quarter box. So I'm adding my tiny quarter box stickers, and again doing that old school layering that I am known for in my Happy Planner spreads onto this planner. And one thing that I'm liking about the evolution of Her Lovely Plan, who is me, is that I'm able to marry in my style from day one until now. And sometimes you need a reminder. So it's so awesome when you have planner friends that have became friends that will remind you, like, just do you, be authentically you. A lot of times you're inspiring other people and you forget to inspire yourself. So definitely appreciate everybody for all the encouraging words. I'll probably say that 10 more times. So now I'm adding these super cute bow paperclip stickers from the Planning City, in which I do have a code for 20% off. And I also have a code for this cute girl sticker from Stickers by Rhonda. I PR for her shop as well, because I do have some birthdays I'm celebrating this week. All right, love, so I am finished my spread in my Hobonichi weeks for the week of Monday, May the 20th through the 26th. And I can honestly say that this probably is my favorite spread right now. And just to kind of piggyback off of what I said throughout the video, I just needed some inspiration. Just because I'm a content creator doesn't mean that I don't get my lows and need to be remotivated. So shout out to all of the content creators whose videos I've been watching that's been inspiring me, and to all of my subscribers that have been just giving me messages of encouragement, and y'all were encouraging me without even knowing that I needed encouragement. So I thank you guys so much. So I decided to kind of just bring some of my old planner style into my Hobonichi, in which you see I have the layering of the box stickers, in which that is something that I always do. And I'm always trying to make sure that I'm being authentically me. So it feels good to kind of add some of my previous planning techniques into this Hobonichi. And I think I've kind of found my zhuzh. I think I found my, my style. But, what I'm saying, I always believe give yourself at least 30 days before you really can say that you found your niche. But let me know what you guys think, because I'm kind of feeling this spread. I don't know. So I can't wait to start putting pen to paper. And as I showed y'all this amazing pen that I saw Julia, or it's Julia Plans. Yeah. She used this because she likes to do the lines in her spread, and it dries super fast. And as you guys can see, there's no smudging. And even though I didn't decide to use the outlining today, I definitely highly recommend this. And I bought this in a 3-pack. It came in the 0.0, the 0.3, and the 0.5. And I love the 0.1 for writing. And I love the 0.3 when I want to do more of the block style lettering, similar to like this. So if y'all are interested in these pens, I do have them in my Amazon shop, and the link to my Amazon shop is in my description box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this spread. Please let me know what you think. I'm super excited about getting in and writing in this planner for this week. And as you know, this is my catch-all, my EDC. So all it does is just capture all of the things that I put in my A5, which is my catch-all. So make sure you check the description box out for the names of the shops in which I use this week, and also to check it out for all of the discount codes that I have in there, the referral links, because y'all know if I'm going to put stuff out there, I want to at least try to find y'all some savings, because that's how your girl shop. I might buy all the things, but I make sure I find a coupon. So if this video has inspired you, do me a favor and share it with your planner friends so they can be inspired to create their own lovely plan. So until next time, loves, peace.
Thank you again for watching Her Lovely Plan, and I hope that you click that subscribe button and that notification bell.